Simonsbath Sawmill, which is an old estate sawmill dating from the early 19th century, of a type that really was once very common around the countryside. There was always lots of these estate sawmills on each estate, where they sawed up the timber they needed for building and for estate work generally. This one's unusual that it still survives, and it survives still with signs of all the sources of power it had. Originally there was a water wheel that was scrapped over 100 years ago, and then we put in a water turbine, which is still here operating. That operated until 1952, and there was a big flood disaster on Exmoor. They stopped using water power then and put in a diesel engine. The diesel engine put in 1952, and that powers the mill today. And we can still use either water power with a water turbine, or we can use the diesel engine to power the old saw benches, that some of which have been here for over 100 years. Weir, sluice, short length of lead, about 100 yards, something like that. Then it picks up the bale water and the limestone water. Another weir, another sluice. So you have to open that sluice on the main river, and then that one to get water. The turbines rated about 30 horsepower, and to get the power they needed to take all three. Ashcombe water came in that way up there and brought water to the water wheel. But this map, the water wheel was there, so but that was never powerful enough. So they picked up all three.
So you've got wood that's come off Exmoor?
Yeah, it's all native, local, mainly broadleaf trees, brought to us by the National Park. The mill doesn't work now. It stopped working commercially. It stopped working about 3 or 4 years ago, and now it's run by a group of volunteers, and we're open to the public, so the public can come and look round. Once a month we open, always on the third Monday of every month. We're open all day, and we do free tours, although we invite donations, but it's free tours inviting people to come and look around and have a look at the place, see what we do.